So dollar yen looks interesting to me on the short side. We have some pretty strong. Wow, look at this, guys. I did not recognize this. Japanese yen took the #1 spot on bullishness for the COT data. COT data history. Let's look at Japanese yen for a second. This is incredible. Look at this. The Japanese yen went from the most bearish on the Edgefinder's COT tracker to now being the most bullish. That's amazing. Like, it changed pretty quick. Like, once institutions decided they were going to be long Japanese yen, you can see, well, actually, I take that back. Not quick for retail, but quick for institutional money flows. You can see once institutions decided they were getting long Japanese yen, it happened within like a 6-month window. But that's how institutional players do it. They accumulate and distribute over large stretches of time that retail does not usually operate within. Like, retail traders are not usually buying something over the course of 6 months. Does anybody do that? Does anybody, well, I mean, I do a little bit of that in the form of dollar cost averaging. Anybody accumulate like that, like over like large stretches of time? I know one very popular way to do that is you have a list of stocks that you like, or maybe it's gold, or maybe it's silver, or maybe it's the index, whatever you do. Like, a lot of people will invest regularly into something. Like, they will, that seems to be like how investors on the institutional level seem to move. So we can see by looking at the Japanese yen, which we've selected in the top right here, we've selected JPY. So the Japanese yen, they've been building a position long. See this yellow line? This yellow line, right? Long percentage. That line is moving up over time. But you can see it's not happening all at once. It was happening very quickly during that August freakout that we saw last year. Then it paused, and now it's jumping again. So we see institutions accumulating more Japanese yen.
Dollar yen. Well, we didn't really have much of a right shoulder. Okay, not much of a right shoulder. But the yen is still, that pattern. High to low. This was a topping pattern that I was looking for an opportunity to short. It didn't pull back to the 50618 like I thought. That's why I was trading FXY. That's why I was trading 6J. I wanted to trade the Japanese yen strength with options. Also, they benefit from the dollar getting weaker and the Japanese yen getting stronger. So making money there. I would have missed my entries as a Forex trader waiting for the dollar yen to pull back to a 153, 154 handle. We just never got it. But we're heading back down towards these same lows from August of last year. So we could be looking at some near-term support on dollar yen. If not, measure symmetry. And that's what the yellow box is. So maybe down to like 139 or so. 140 is a round number. 139 is symmetry. So if you're currently short dollar yen, trendline break, bear flags maybe these last few trading days, I would just be moving stop losses and taking profits. Trail it. I don't think now is a good time to get into a fresh entry.
If you'd like to see more of our free daily chart of the days, make sure to join our Telegram channel if you have not already joined. And if you are already in the Telegram channel, make sure to hit that thumbs up button to support our work. Also, quick reminder that if you're looking for free tools and free education in the trading space, head over to a1trading.com. You can check out our free technical, fundamental courses and much more.